Right people, let's show you. Best way to remove one of these so you can repair your broken one is get a Stanley blade, get it level, flush, and then basically wiggle it down. It's a bit difficult with one hand, but basically let's try and get that down for you. There you go. So what we do, let's do this around this on that. So takes that end off, then pop that back out, then down this way. Now it doesn't matter, this is the rear, but I use these on the front as well, so just so you don't hurt your fingers, just push it down. There we go, that's gone flying off. And you'll be left with a tab like this, which then lets you, so I've done several now just to test it working. So basically we just line it up with the pre-existing one, so this is a different one here, so we can choose any one. Just line it up with the missing tabs like so. Then you get yourself some cable ties, and basically you can melt the end of the cable ties on and then use a plastic welding gun, and you can tab that across, and then I use a soldering iron with some regular cable ties, and just basically melted them in here around and round. You can reinforce it better with the right angle tabs and just weld it into here, plastic weld it into here and cut. Now what I did realise was you're best off doing it with the actual tab in place, an old tab in place, so it doesn't melt around. And yeah, so, and that's strong, that's not going nowhere. I haven't cut off the ends of the thingy, but literally that's stronger than original. You're not getting that off anytime soon. So yeah, an easy way to repair your current arches. Just find yourself an old arch, doesn't matter if the clips are missing, which everyone seems to sell really cheap because the clips are broken. Cut these off with a Stanley blade and lock it into position. So the best way to lock it into position is literally use the plastic gun, get it into position just so it's there, and then you can plastic weld all in these gaps here, all in these gaps here, and around the back edge. Just make sure it doesn't actually seem to matter which way round you go, whether it's pushing in this way or this way when you're putting it back on, because it still lines up with exactly the same spot. Hope that helps everyone.